by retired Navy Captain Dale Snort Snodgrass.
Mustang. Come on. There he is.
Now as Dale climbs away, the P-51 Mustang had an incredible run, seeing combat not only in World War II, but also during the Korean conflict. The early versions, the first Mustangs, were powered by Allison V12 engines. They were the same kind of engines that were in the P-40 Warhawk and the P-38 Lightning that were American fighters in World War II. The Curtiss P-40 Warhawk was actually being used in combat for the Allies prior to America's entry into World War II. But the Allison engine wasn't good enough at high altitude, and that's where the British, who requested this airplane to be built, that's where they needed to have high altitude performance. So if we look to the left and see Dale come in, the Royal Air Force took some Merlin engines, Verve V12 engines, the same type used in their Hurricanes and Spitfires and even the Lancaster bomber. They put that Merlin engine into that airframe and the Mustang and Seagull was born. The top speed over 435 miles per hour in the Mustang. After World War II, Reichsmarschal Hermann Goering, Supreme Commander of the mighty Luftwaffe, declared, "When I saw the Mustangs over Berlin, I knew the war was lost." The Mustangs helped the American B-24s and B-17s with escort all the way to their targets and back. Because of the development of that extended the range of the little craft, the fighters as they were known. Those stripes you see on the bottom of the aircraft were painted on all Allied aircraft just prior to the Normandy invasion on June 6, 1944. They were known as invasion stripes. And they were put on the airplane so that our guys on the ground would not inadvertently shoot at one of their own aircraft. At the controls, one of the best pilots in the country today, Dale Snodgrass, retired U.S. Navy captain, retired from the Navy after 25 years of service on June 1st, 1999. Doing a 4-point hesitation roll in this P-51. Dale Snodgrass attended race on Long Island. He was the son of a test pilot. He attended the University of Minnesota on a ROTC, Reserve Officers Training Corps scholarship. He was an All-American member of the swim team and graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Biology. But he was the first of the Tomcat pilot designees. And over the years, including 12 years as the Navy's Tomcat demonstration pilot, Dale Snodgrass retired with over 4,800 hours in the Tomcat. That will stand forever. Because the Tomcat, as you probably know, was retired right here at Naval Air Station Oceana on September 22nd, 2006. You gotta love the sound of that V12 engine. Over 1,500 horsepower. The P-51 P-51 cost about $54,000 to build back in 1944 dollars. If you wanted to build one today, it would cost over $620,000 if you had the tooling, if you had the skill, if you had the production line, and if you could gather all the parts together. It was an incredible airplane to fly, with 650 caliber machine guns. The bombers to fight off the Luftwaffe F-109s and the Fox-World F-190s. It greatly increased the survivability of the big friends, the bombers, those heavy bombers, the B-17s and the B-24s, as they were vulnerable to the attack of the Luftwaffe fighters, the much faster Luftwaffe fighters, who attacked head-on the most vulnerable area of the fighters. Just a year ago, on the 27th of September of last year, 82 of the remaining 153 F-14 Tomcats felt day and night. The first flight school graduate to be selected for F-14 Tomcat training. In the 4,800 hours of flight time that he had in the Tomcat, he also had 1,200 carrier arrested landings. Cameras ready as Dale comes by low and fast in the Mustang. But some of you aircraft enthusiasts may have seen on the internet a picture of an F-14 Tomcat in about 90 degrees of bank. The deck of an aircraft carrier with the right wing actually below the deck of the carrier. It was an incredible shot because the F-14 Tomcat was very close to the edge of the deck of the carrier, but that right wing actually disappeared below the deck of the carrier. It was said on the caption of that picture that the pilot was grounded for 30 days, but he said it was worth it. Well, I did a little research, and it turns out that the pilot wasn't grounded for 30 days. It's because the pilot was Dale Snodgrass, and he was in charge of all those F-14 Tomcats. So it was an aircraft carrier, an air show at sea. Barry's given a big way. Giving away a big thing. It was an air show at sea. And it was for the families and dependents of the sailors, and they could break the sound barrier at those air shows, so it was a great time to be had by those folks. Now, as Dale departs the area, I got some more